The Retouch Faces tool allows you to make super quick high-quality adjustments to retouch faces in your portraiture and headshot work. It can be used equally well as you shoot, automatically copying the retouching from the previous image to the next, or in post-production. Let's start by removing some blemishes. This helps to get rid of skin imperfections while trying to respect beauty marks and similar on the subject. Blemishes can also be protected manually if needed. Tap Protect Areas. Choose your brush settings and mark the blemishes. Switch to Erase if you need to correct or remove any masking. Dark circles subtly brightens the areas under the eyes. Use even skin to even out contrast differences on larger surfaces of the skin while retaining texture and highlights. To reduce skin texture, apply a negative value and vice versa. Finally, use contouring to apply a subtle burn effect, darkening the shadows naturally present on the face for a more styled effect. The overall impact of any applied retouching can be moderated by adjusting the impact. This prevents having to edit multiple adjustments to reduce or increase an effect. Retouch teeth will both brighten and desaturate teeth. Retouch eyes will brighten and add detail to the iris and desaturate and brighten the sclera. Tap both to switch between this or an individual offset. If you're working on an image with more than one person, they can be edited as a group or individually. Tap here to select all faces or an individual. Reset an individual's retouching here, or for all here. I should note, this tool doesn't involve face recognition, and face numbers are always assigned from left to right based on their position in the image. To copy-paste the retouch adjustments from one group of people in one photo to another, make sure the subjects are in the same position.